When we talk about post-pageant reintegration, it's really about source of income. There are two kinds of income, active income and passive income. Anong difference nung dalawa?
Active means you actually have to do things, whereas obviously active is doing, passive is chilling. And but you've done the work already, so you actually were active, you took the steps.
Perfect, no?
Tama yun. Because you won't have the passive income if you didn't do your active income first. When do we use active income and when do we use passive income? Yung active income natin, gagamitin natin yan for our needs. Yung passive income for wants. How much is your budget for traveling usually? 50,000 pesos. Bakit tayo nagta-travel? To enjoy life? Is vacation a need or a want? Correct kayo lahat. Both siya na need and want. Actually, lahat ng bagay sa mundo, may need portion yan at saka may want na portion. 5,000 pesos, that's the need portion. Kasi pwede mong magbakasyon at magpahinga ng simple. 45,000 pesos, yan yung want portion. You have to create a portfolio first for that 45,000 pesos that will generate you passive income. Kaya nakahanap tayo ng 5% na interest rate for an investment. 45,000 divided by 5%, that's 900,000 pesos. Kailangan, mag-save ka muna ng 900,000 pesos, i-invest mo yon, mag-earn ng 5%, it will give you 45,000 pesos. That's the time that you can afford to go to Singapore or to wherever. That's the key in creating wealth. Doon pumapasok yung sinasabi natin na delayed gratification. It will take you some time to build that 900,000 pesos. But once you have that every year, that will generate income already. So maa-afford mo na siya. Nagsakripisyo ka for a few years, pero pag nandyan na yan, you will reap the benefits for a much longer period.